These delicious traditional organic vegetables were grown right in my own backyard. So join me in this video as I share with you how I harvested the Amaranthus aka Terere, prepped them, and finally cooked them and turn them into these delicious vegetables. I'll also be sharing with you the health benefit of Amaranthus. So today I decided to harvest the Amaranthus. Actually, I did not plant them, they just grew by their own. My plan for this piece of the garden in the coming days is to harvest all the Amaranthus and then uproot the remaining ones, so I'm just left with the collard greens. Amaranthus support heart health. This is because of their high fiber, which help in lowering the cholesterol levels. They are high in potassium and low in sodium, which helps in regulating the blood pressure. They also help in lowering chronic illnesses as they are high in antioxidants. They also help in digestion because of their high in soluble fiber content, thus preventing constipation. They are also high in vitamin C and have high levels of vitamin K, which helps in the clotting of the blood. So back to the garden. As I had mentioned to you earlier, I never planted these Amaranthus. They just grew by themselves. So as you can see here, I also have collard greens. My plan today is to harvest some of the Amaranthus, and then in the next few days, I'm going to harvest all of it, and then I'm going to be left only with the collard greens. The last few days have also been raining. These have really helped them in growing very fast. I cannot wait to cook them, as they remind me of my childhood and the old good days in the village. Right here, I'm also harvesting the green onions. I'm going to saute them while making this delicious dish. And I think that's enough for today. And off to the kitchen so I can prep them. My son has also decided to join the party, and he's making for us the ugali. On this other side, I'm sorting out the Amaranthus just to make sure there are no insects or any other fallen leaves that do not belong there before I can clean and cut them up. And here we also have the spring onions, which I had harvested a few minutes ago. And I'm now all done with that step, so the next step now is to clean them up. In a clean sink, I added in the Amaranthus, then a little salt. I also going to turn on the water and then clean them up until I am satisfied with the results. What I am doing here is that I'm rinsing them off in running water, also separating the spring onions from the amaranthus. The number of times you clean them up depends on how dirty or dusty they are. And a little wiping off of the sink and the sink area. The next step now is to slice the onions and the amaranthus. And I think I forgot to film the section where I was slicing the amaranthus and the red onion. On a medium-sized cooking pot, I added in the cooking oil, let it get heated up a little bit, then I added in the onions. After the onion had softened, I added in some green cubes and some tomatoes that had frozen from our last harvest. I will share the video of the green cubes in the comment section. And then I covered everything up. I'm now giving them a quick mix and let them continue cooking, and then I added in some salt. After that had cooked very well, it is now time to add the star of the party, aka Amaranthus. So Amaranthus are very soft and do not need a lot of cooking, so it will be a quick one. So right there, I'm trying to tuck them in or push them in just to make sure that everything is cooking evenly. And as you can see, it looks like the other side is almost halfway cooked, and that is how fast the amaranthus cook. And that is how quick they also shrink. So if you're feeding a big family, you can imagine how much you'll need to cook. And at this point, I want to kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, then hit up the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And as you can see, they are looking very flavorful, and for sure they were very delicious. And I hope you have been inspired to go and try this recipe. So until we meet in the next video, may the Lord bless you, may the Lord keep you, may He watch over you, and may He give you peace. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.